How to change name in Kimi AI. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today we are going to learn how you can easily change your name on Kimi. If you've recently created a Kimi account and you have the default name that Kimi provided to you, and if you want to update or change that, then the process is quite easy. First of all, launch open the Kimi AI application on your device. Once you're inside the homepage of Kimi AI after logging in, go to the top left corner and tap the three horizontal menu button. Now, click on your current username at the top and then click on Personal Profile in the settings menu. Under Name, go ahead and erase your current name and write down a new one. Once you are done, click on Save at the top right. After the save is successful, you will be able to change your name on Kimi AI. Now your new name will be set on your Kimi AI account. Your name and avatar can be modified up to 10 times within 30 days, so make sure you make a wise choice. So that's how you easily change your name on Kimi AI. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.